Bye-bye to our ho-hum home. Ho-hum home. Ooh. We'll come back someday. Carrabelle, Florida. Kind of like the way Florida used to be everywhere.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto NW 6th Street.
Before all the condos took over and the world's smallest police station is in this town somewhere. West 6th Street.
Turn right onto NW 6th Street, then your destination will be on the left.
How about we go in this way? And
Your destination is on the left.
there it is. All right. Awesome.
You know what you want? What?
The Zacium has quesadillas. I got the hook, line, and sinker. Vittles. We are sassified. Big bridge up here. think we hit the really touristy part. Yeah. Grand Panama. Sensations. Welcome to Dog Beach. Are you treading water? Look how clear the water is. Stella! Come here, Stella. You're already swimming. Swimming in the air. You're air swimming.
Yes, it is. Oh my God, my arms hurt.
Can you make it, Stella? Can you make it? Oh, don't be down there. That's a tender area. Let's see what you're doing underwater. Dole Whip. Thank you for visiting Florida. We're in Alabama. Woohoo! Buc-ee's. We're coming into Mobile, and I can see the USS Alabama over there. World War II battleship. Someday, I have to take the kids there, and they can go visit the battleship. We're going to go underneath the water.
Underneath the water.
Yep.
Water or what?
Whee! I think so. I wish I could honk my horn right now. There's too many people around. Whee! We're a submarine. Oh, it feels so good in here. The air conditioner is working. Mobile, Alabama, famous for this tunnel. It's always been here forever and ever and ever. Then when you get on this side, you can't see anything of downtown because you're still... Alright. We're in Mississippi! Woohoo! How do I know? My. See? Welcome to Mississippi, birthplace of America's music. Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We're trying to find an RV park close by. Good luck to us. Nobody answers the phone anymore. Oh, look at that sunset. can't see it with the camera, but spectacular. I remember this place. Except the casinos weren't here when we lived here. Biloxi.
The guitar there?
Yeah, it literally even has a guitar on it. The same exact
Yeah,
one.
Biloxi.
That's a casino.
Someone's actually playing the guitar. Like, someone's either inside or something. Casino.
Hard rock.
Now that's a big, big
Yeah, there's the lighthouse. We struck out here, but you can see that there's a lot of empty spaces. And the funny thing is that it said reservations only. It didn't give you a form you could fill out or anything, so you can't check in after hours. And they close at 5. And we tried to reserve it online, and it said you have to reserve a day in advance at least. So here it is with all these empty spaces, and somebody wanted to come in, paying customer, and they're being turned away. Tried calling the phone number, nobody answers, so we're going to another one, and looks like we're able to reserve it online and get in. But even at that,
We're not.
even that is egregious. You know, it used to be you could just pull in, fill out a form, and find an empty spot and then settle up in the morning. And they're making it where you can't do that anymore. And so you end up with places with a lot of empty spaces, and it's a shame. But oh well. Now we're trying to book this RV park. It's smaller, but it seems to be nice. So this is our camp. And this is our campground. It's pretty nice.